So next problem, x is equals to a sin 2 theta into 1 plus cos 2 theta. Y is equals to b cos 2 theta into 1 minus cos 2 theta. Calculate dy by dx. Again here, x and y are connected in terms of the parameter theta. We need to find dy by dx. So first of all, you just think about x, calculate dx by d theta. Then y, calculate dy by d theta. Conclude dy by dx. Now, this can be written as x is equals to a sin 2 theta plus a sin 2 theta into cos 2 theta. What you say? A sin 2 theta into cos 2 theta, right? Sin 2 theta into cos 2 theta can be written as sin 4 theta by 2. Just by using 2 sin A cos B is 2 sin A cos A is sin 2A, right? 2 sin A cos A is sin 2A. With the same logic, sin 2 theta and cos 2 theta together will become sin 4 theta by 2. This is x. Now, what do you say about dx by d theta? Dx by d theta is equals to a into derivative of sin 2 theta cos 2 theta by 2. Derivative of, just a minute, it's not by 2, it's into 2, right? Derivative of sin 2 theta is cos 2 theta and derivative of 2 theta is 2. So a into cos 2 theta into 2 plus here a by 2 is a constant into derivative of sin 4 theta cos 4 theta into 4. Okay. Now if you wish to simplify, 2 and 2 gets cancelled, right? So when you collect this 2a, you left with 2a of cos 2 theta plus cos 4 theta. This is dx by d theta. Now what you say about dy by d theta? Okay. Now just look here. Y is equals to b cos 2 theta into 1 is b cos 2 theta minus b cos square 2 theta, right? Cos square 2 theta. So now what you say about dy by d theta? That is equals to b into, what is the derivative of cos 2 theta? Derivative of cos 2 theta is minus sin 2 theta into 2 minus b, just a minute, minus b into cos square 2 theta. Something square, right? Cos square 2 theta is 2 cos 2 theta into, that base is cos, its derivative is minus sin 2 theta into 2. For cos square 2 cos, for cos it is minus sin into 2. Okay. Altogether if you observe, see we have a chance to collect 2b as a common thing. So this is equals to minus 2b into, here we have sin 2 theta and then 2 cos 2 theta sin 2 theta can be written as, okay, I just collected minus 2b, right? So minus b into 2, minus 2b out here, b minus 2, minus 2b out here, we left with sin 2 theta from the first term. Think about the second term, 2 cos 2 theta sin 2 theta can be written as sin 4 theta along with the minus sign, minus sin 4 theta. This is sin 2 theta minus sin 4 theta, okay, along with the minus 2b. Think about it. Okay, so we have dx by d theta here, dy by d theta there. Our task is to find dy by dx. Now just think about dy by dx. So we discussed many problems, right? Previously 3-4 problems. Every time dy by dx is nothing but dy by d theta divided by dx by d theta. So now what is dy by d theta here? Minus 2b times sin 2 theta minus sin 4 theta divided by dx by d theta is this 2a into cos 2 theta plus cos 4 theta. So 2 gets cancelled. We left with minus b by a, and here further we need to move for the simplification. What to say about this sin c minus sin d? Sin c minus sin d can be written as 2 cos c plus d by 2 into sin c minus d by 2. We have here minus b by a into the numerator sin c minus sin d 2 cos c plus d, 6 theta by 2 means 3 theta into sin c minus d, sin of 2 theta minus 4 theta. 2 theta minus 4 theta is minus 2 theta by 2 that means sine of minus theta divided by, here cos c plus cos d. Cos c plus cos d is 2 cos of c plus d by 2 into cos of c minus d by 2. Cos of 2 cos c plus d by 2 is again 3 theta, and cos of c minus d by 2 is cos of minus theta. So simply cancel this cos 3 theta. And now cos of minus theta is cos theta, sin of minus theta is minus sin theta. That minus along with this minus will become just positive. So that is equals to b by a tan theta as our final answer. Okay, just think about it everybody. First of all, calculate dx by d theta. Okay, and then find dy by d theta. After that, dy by dx. On simplification, b by a tan theta.